how you can connect Claude AI to PayPal. So all you need to do is to open your Claude AI account, make sure you are connected, and in the left down corner area, click on your profile. And here we want to open settings. Now make sure to go to connectors area here. And now we want to click on browse connectors and find PayPal, which should be here. You can click it. And now it's gonna show you all the tools it can use connecting to your PayPal account with your Claude AI. It allows AI agents to interact with PayPal platform. As you can see, this is developed by PayPal. This is the version, it's 1.00. Here you can click on all tools and see all the tools which you can use and connect it with the Claude AI. If you want to connect it, simply click on connect. Now it's gonna guide you to your PayPal account. And now you have to log in to your PayPal account. If you logged in, you have to connect your PayPal account to PayPal MCP server. Click on agree and connect. And that's basically all you need to do to allow access from Claude AI to PayPal. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.